former housemate dubbed as the Tatay's Boy ng Batangas in PBB. Joshua Garcia. At syempre makakasama po natin ngayon ang kanyang Star Magic manager who's also my manager and good friend of mine. We got Miss DJ Cuadrado de La Paz. Hi, Ate Deej. I can see her labubu over here. Okay, everyone, let's all welcome the one and only Mr. Joshua Garcia.
Hello, okay naman. Yeah. Oo. Okay naman.
That's how he laughs. See, all the time. But Josh, looking good as always.
Thank
By the
you.
way,
Ikaw
congratulations. Thank you, thank you. Congratulations for being part of Inside Out 2 as
Yes.
Lance/Blade. Grabe,
Mhm.
no?
Mhm.
Ano pakiramdam? Nandun yung boses mo sa isang napakagandang pelikula.
Alam mo, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, napakagandang experience niya para sa akin. Yung makapag-dub, yung ma-experience ko mag-dub. Kasi iba siya sa acting eh. So, masaya experience and thank you, Disney, for pagkuha sa akin.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
You're talking about
oo.
emotions dun sa Inside Out 2.
Mhm.
Anong emotion na nangibabaw sa'yo ngayon?
Si Joy, of course.
Oh.
Si Joy, masaya ako today. And let's go.
Let's
do
go. He's so
this.
excited. Let's make that happen.
Oh, baka
Joshua.
magbago pa yung isip ng mga boss. Hindi ako
There, yan.
pangirma eh.
Everyone's feeling that joy as Joshua signs his contract. Siya na mismo nagsabi ng, let's go. Let's make it happen.
Oh, see, sabi ni Sir, next year na lang daw.
Next year ulit. Bosses to our dear manager, please seal the deal. Josh G is gonna be right here in ABS-CBN.
Okay na, nasil ko na yung
Nasil na!
Nasil ko na.
The Philippines boy next door. That's Joshua Garcia. Okay, congratulations. Not a boy anymore. Everyone's go-to guy. Josh, we're so happy that you have finally sealed the deal. Congratulations. Palapangan po natin Joshua Garcia. But we got a lot of people who want to send their congratulations to you. At kung sino sila, Josh, watch this.
From a simple Batangueño who endeared audiences as a PBB housemate, his dreams and good relations with people has definitely brought him to places.
May tuturing na ako na pangalawang ama ni Joshua dahil ako ho ay nagpanag sa kanya. Hindi ko sukat akalain na sa paglaki niya ay makapapasok po siya sa industriya ng mga artista.
Palaging nagzo-zoom in talaga yung mata ko dito sa lalaking ito na mapungay ang mga mata. Pero very low energy. Sabi ko, mukha namang tamad-tamaran. But there was really something about him that, my gut feel was telling me that meron tong star potential. Alam niyo po, sa career ko bilang direktor, isang artista lang talaga yung ni-request kong makatrabaho. At ito ay si Joshua Garcia.
I hate feeling like this. I hate myself. Ayoko na.
He was only a beat player in Barcelona. But I was very happy na tama pa rin ang aking gut feel because Joshua did not disappoint.
And from that bit of a role to a blockbuster hit, he started to prove that he's one of the most promising actors of his generation.
Alam mo, kapag tinamaan ka.
Paano kung tanga ako? Di ko alam na tinatamaan na pala ako.
Very hardworking. Not once did I ever hear him complain about being tired. Ako narinig ni isang complain, and I think it just goes to show how much he loves what he does and how much hard work he will put into his craft because that's how much he loves it. I am so proud to have witnessed your growth as an actor and even as a person.
With undeniable talent in acting and proven box office power, he has established himself as one of the most bankable stars in the country.
Bakit mo ako pinalitan na para akong basura? Ano ba yung meron ng tao ngayon na wala ako? Mas gwapo? Mas mayaman? Mas magaling? Mas masarap ba sa akin yun?
It's simply working with him together for Unhappy For You and the resulting success that came along with it. I was lucky enough to be one of his directors just because I was able to witness kung paano magtrabaho ang isang Joshua Garcia.
Naturally gifted talaga siya as an actor. In terms of grit, nakikita ko yung passion niya for what he does, yung hard work niya, kung paano siya mag-aral ng character.
In a span of only a decade of being in the industry, he has shown nothing but excellence in his craft and has been entrusted with the most significant projects both in movies and television.
Well, he's one of the most hardworking actors that we have here in ABS-CBN. He is very dedicated. He really understands the assignment.
And he's really an amazing actor. I'm so grateful that I'm given the opportunity to work with him. I'm very excited about our upcoming project together.
Continuously making his mark, his talent is also being recognized internationally. Most recently as the 2023 TAG Award Best Actor and being the first Filipino celebrity to dub a top-grosser Disney film.
Alam mo, nung una, napaka-mahiyain yan, very timid. But there's also something in him na talagang titindig at lalaban. And that is powered by his love for his family. He has a very strong desire to give his family and himself a better life.
He proves how having a dream and really working hard for it can open endless possibilities and success.
I'd like to thank you also for your loyalty, your hard work and dedication. You are truly a blessing to us here in ABS-CBN. Sana isang araw makatrabaho kita uli. I miss you a lot and I love you.
He always creates that extra mile to take care of people who take care of him. And I think that's very important for anyone who's in the industry. Congrats, Josh, on the new chapter of your career.
Congratulations, Josh, my Patrick, sa iyong contract signing today. Here's to many more amazing projects with, of course, ABS-CBN. See you soon!
So know that we really appreciate how you're very collaborative and easy to work with. Looking forward to more campaigns with you before the year ends and until next year, 2025, of course. Know that we'll always support you, kaya cool ka lang.
Yung pagiging mabait at pagiging charismatic mo can easily be felt by anyone you meet.
On behalf of Essence Mediacom, we wish you all the best, Joshua, continued success, and of course, more endorsements to come.
You truly deserve this moment.
And we will always be here, cheering you up, supporting you. Sabi nga ng brands mo, we won't let you down, anuman ang feelings mo. Congratulations, Joshua, and more power on your career.
Pagiging isang artista at ngayon ay nakakatulong sa kanyang pamilya. Congratulations, Apo.
Kami ay proud na proud sa kanya. Sana ipagpatuloy mo pa ang iyong magandang naaabot.
Hello anak! Congratulations on your contract renewal with ABS-CBN. Ipagdarasal ko na laging kang malusog at protektado ng ating Panginoon. Okay, I love you anak! I miss you so much!
A successful career powered by his immense love for his family. We are proud to have you as our kapamilya forever. Joshua Garcia.
Our heartthrob and leading man, Joshua Garcia. It's okay that you're really okay, ah? We can see all the smiles right there. Pero, may I request for a message coming from the king of mukbang?
Grabe naman yung mukbang.
Josh?
Gusto kong magpasalamat una sa pamilya ko sa suporta na binibigyan nila sa akin.
And hopefully, it will be out next year. Such a hard-working man. Yes, Josh? Can we have you right in front of the table for a solo photo? Thank you, Josh. Just want to say, we're happy for you. We'll be seeing Joshua sa MediaCon together with MJ Felipe. Again, thank you to our manager, Ms. DJ Cuadrado de La Paz.